Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a super useful feature for Roblox players, scanning QR codes. Whether you're trying to join a friend's game or unlock something cool, knowing how to scan QR codes can be a game changer. Let's jump right into it. First, grab your Android device and open the Roblox app. Easy enough, right? Once you're in, look for your username next to your profile picture. Give it a tap. This will take you directly to your account settings. Now, you'll see a share icon that lets you share your QR code. Go ahead and tap that share icon. This generates your very own Roblox QR code that you can share with friends. Finally, to scan a QR code, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a scan icon there. Click on it to activate the scanning feature, and just point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Voila! You're all set to unlock new adventures in Roblox with ease. That's it for today's tutorial on how to scan Roblox QR codes. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides, and happy gaming.